Hello. This is Empire Crypto TV, and we are making shows about educational series about trading, especially for beginners. And please be sure to subscribe and please do support our channel, Empire Crypto TV. We have tons and tons of videos about trading education, about Forex, crypto, or the stock market. Today we are dealing specifically with breakout strategies, which is a strong strategy for traders, especially for those who are still beginners. And I do advise and encourage those who are still beginners to pay attention to these basic lessons that we provide for you. And we're going to start off with some the strategies that I have been seeing lately. And surprise, and then I just thought that I would just share with some of my students as well that I teach on the daily basis. Okay, this is the trading strategies here, which is a support and resistance, which is quite required. Okay, support and resistance is very, very important, and there are many ways that you can deal with breakout strategies, and some of these breakout strategies are also notable to some of the main traders or up level traders or traders who are also involved in high level trading as well. They also use these breakout strategies, and there are various ways of breakout strategies. One of them is also known as an ascending triangle breakout strategy that is very, very prominent in trading. You also have your support and resistance being applied there. Okay, firstly, you would apply it first. You have to sort of like have a sort of a measure where you have your support line right here. You can see it has higher lows. Okay, and then with this kind of strategies, you will have lots of attempts, like here for instance, the bulls or the buyers are trying to break this resistant level here. They tried once and they tried also twice right here, and it was a fake breakout, by the way. Okay, and you should be aware of these fake breakouts. A lot of people can see a fake breakouts and they think, you know what, the market is truly gonna start going up, but only to find out that it's gonna consolidate back again. And you would find that people, they have already placed buy orders. So you need to be very, very careful, and you need to practice these strategies before you implement them fully on your trading accounts. And then eventually, yes, the market will break through this level, the resistant level, as it did here, having your support and your resistant level. Price breaks resistance and continues to move up. The buyers win this battle. What's more important, fundamentally speaking, sometimes you'd find that buyers are trying to break a certain level, and that is a strong signal when you consider the fact that they've attempted once and they have attempted twice. Most of the time it happens once and twice, type of series, if I should say. This is another example, okay, though it just uses trend line, but you would imagine also having candlesticks in between these trend lines. Okay, and you can see that you have a bullish breakout, and be rest assured that you also have a bearish breakout strategy. Okay, so these are sometimes you have that that fake out, and then it goes back down, and then it bounces back to that support level and it consolidates down, and you would place obviously a sell order. And I would also encourage people to have pending orders, especially if you are a beginner. It's much more safer. And also here you can see you must also sort of like place a pending order so that you can be on the safe side. You have your support and your resistance. Once it breaks out, then that's a strong signal. The first candlestick right there, that's your first strong signal that the market might be continuing uptrend or downtrend. And of course, you have various breakout strategies that I've aligned out for you here on the PDF. And I also happened to come across them recently. I was looking at the market right here where the market was going sideways and it gets locked. for quite some time. Okay, so here in this case, it's a case where there is a little decisiveness. There is no decisive decision whether to buy or to sell as of yet, but most of the time are buyers. Okay, sometimes it's sellers. It becomes obvious. Here in this case, it was obvious that the trend was going down the whole time. This is also a bullish checkmate. Okay, but also bullish checkmate are also very powerful trend reversal. This was a bullish checkmate, but still I am looking for a breakout strategies in order to confirm this is a bullish checkmate, because it can go as high as this level right here and you can reap rewards and profits once it goes to those levels. I still have my support and resistance level here, and then eventually, yes, after maybe it was a 24-hour period, after 24 hours, and then I started seeing change. It was quite slow. Sometimes you need to be patient. You need to be very, very patient for these strategies to work for you 100%. You need to be careful. So after a while, I saw this breakout strategy right here. I notified it. I said, okay, well, this is a strong confirmation that this market is starting to form a bull pattern, and this is a strong confirmation that this is a possible bullish checkmate. But how far would it go? That remains also to be tricky. Hence, that is why you should be able to place pending orders. Another example that I have here is this one. Okay, no, this one here, where I had my support and my resistance level, and I waited for a while, and having been previously having this bullish checkmate as well, I supposedly thought that once it goes sideways, once I see sideways trend, which means little decisiveness, you can see that the prices have bounced here in this level, then came down, attempted to bounce, then it also sort of like attempted to break through this level, but it didn't. But eventually at some level it broke through this level, this resistant level right here. Then here you would have also made considerable profits. This is a very strong bullish candlestick, and also gives me a strong confirmation that the market is going to be starting to going up. So before I even finish, I just also want to share the definition of a breakout strategy. What is a breakout strategy before I close, just to define it, especially for people who are beginners? A breakout is any price movement outside a defined support and resistance area. Hence, we have discussed the breakout can occur at horizontal level or diagonal level depending on the price's action pattern. So you must have your support and resistance. So you need to have a breakout outside the levels of your support and resistance. Hence, it has been done here. So you need, there is my support and my resistance, and then it breaks out there. That's a strong confirmation that the market will be going higher, having been in here before, then transforming to this level. And also here, my previous example, this was a strong confirmation that the market is going to be going up after being locked here for quite some time. It took me a while. Sometimes it takes a while. Sometimes it's quick. So remember, it works all for Forex, crypto, or the stock market, and it works for all time frames as well. I might have used a 4-hour chart. Maybe someone else may use a daily chart, but it works in all time frames. Okay, thank you very much for joining me. This is Empire Crypto TV. Please be sure to subscribe, and please support our show, Empire Crypto TV. Watch out for our daily educational series, Empire Crypto TV, as we explain the basics of trading from time to time. Thank you very much for joining me. Until next time, goodbye.